Hi you guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. This week, to celebrate 2020 and the new decade, I thought what better way than to kick off with a cup of coffee. But not just any cup of coffee, a cappuccino mug cake. And the year has already started, let's get baking. Melt the butter with the chocolate in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. Remember to stir using a fork. Beat the mixture until smooth and then allow it to cool slightly. Next, we can add our egg. Whisk until all the ingredients are well combined. Then we can add our sugar and a little bit of vanilla. For the next step, we can add our baking powder and flour. Again, mix until all the ingredients are well combined. And then for the last ingredients, a little bit of cream and instant coffee. When all the ingredients are well combined and you are happy with the mixture, let's cook it in the microwave. We will cook it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. When your mug cake is done, we will put it aside and allow it to cool. Let's move on to our vanilla pudding topping. In a mixing bowl, add your vanilla pudding, a little bit of vanilla and some milk. Beat until all the ingredients are well combined and your vanilla pudding thickens up. To decorate, you can put your vanilla pudding in a piping bag and use the nozzle tip of your choice. Pipe your vanilla pudding on top of your mug cake and then sprinkle a little bit of cocoa. And there you guys have it, my cappuccino mug cake, ready to get you caffeinated and ready for the new year. Now if you guys like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. And then down in the comments below, let me know what are some of your New Year's resolutions. Happy New Year, see you next week.